On the 19th of August 2023, Storm Betty raged its way up the British Isles.
What you'll see is the winds strengthening to the south of Betty as Betty deepens. Particularly strong winds overnight, widespread gales, and in some of the more exposed areas, 50, 60, perhaps 70 miles an hour.
Welcome to Outside Your Zone.
So we're leaving Port Valentine for the final time, and we're saying goodbye to the king of Port Valentine, Alan. He is the king. He's welcomed us into the community, and we're so appreciative of that. Alan, come here.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Yes, pal.
Yeah.
Get up, Alan, in the comments. Whoa! Get up, Alan! We're about to take on some ruthless waves as well.
Take on some mad waves, so
Ruthless. Look at those waves, bro. That's a G. Whoa! That's a G-mus Creamus.
Y'all ready for this?
Yes, Alan! Woo! Our primary goal of this season was to get the Blue Spurr through the North Channel to the Isle of Man and safely back to Whitehaven Harbour for renovations ahead of our round-the-world mission.
Oh, it's like 40 knots at the moment wind, and it's looking like it's going to get 50 by 2 a.m.
We're done in.
We're done in.
Night watch it is cold.
Night watch for the boys. Ramsey secured the deck and took first watch as the team tried their best to kip through the rough seas and massive waves. In the morning, we would be sailing through the gale conditions of Storm Betty to Largs. Chucking it off at Port Valentine for the final time.
Goodbye, Maureen. Unlucky, man. We've really enjoyed our time here, and we're really grateful for all the people we've met and everything that we've done here. It's been an absolute wonderful time.
It's been a pleasure.
And another part of the massive round the world journey.
As we headed out of East Kyle for the final time, we reflected on everything we had experienced since first coming here.
Alpen bar incoming. This is a light one though, so this is going to be hard in the wind. Yeah. Yes! Get yourself away with that Alpen! Cheers to the boys for the Alpen. It's a bit of a salty Alpen like that.
The island of Bute had been our home since purchasing the Blue Spurr, and we missed it already as we set out on our global adventure.
We were met by intense headwinds and huge waves in our faces.
Cobbo, a member of the first world record team, joined us on our return to the Isle of Man and was once again struggling to find his sea legs.
Cobbo, you're looking a bit green.
I'm alright.
He's alright, he's all good.
This is the line that we need to take. It's a little bit side onto the waves. But that's the only line we can use to use the mizzen sail to assist us in bringing this yacht into Largs Marina, which is our final destination for the night. We're going to be spending a full day in Largs Marina tomorrow so that we can do any necessary repairs and preparations for our journey to the Isle of Man to see Islander outdoors.
Yes.
I'm just trying to hold on for dear life here.
These towering waves felt perilous even in the main vessel, and we hoped young Al was shredding his way to safety in the H6.
The conditions out here are mental. There's a ferry coming right towards me. I've got to change course. Oh no. Oh my god, another big one. Yes.
As we made our way into the channel between the mainland and Great Cumbrae, there was still no sign of Alex on the radio.
Millport! Yeah, sweet! Alright mate, no worries. I've literally got the iron life following this one. That's hilarious. Get yourselves in, boys. Cheers, boys. See you in a bit.
You all good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm finishing here now.
Right, okay.
Did they tell you?
No, we're just trying to work out what's your plans.
Hey mate, you alright?
You alright?
I'm okay. Now I'm on land, I'm alright, yeah. Legends! What a ruthless time. I think someone's rang the iron and lie on me as well. 99% sure someone's rang them on me. Coast Guards, iron and lie, what the hell? I feel bad, obviously it's not actually a funny situation. They thought I was in danger, so we have wasted resources here, but you know, they were doing the right thing. Maybe I was doing the wrong thing. Get in.
So we've just seen the RNLI RIB. By all accounts, Alex has just had an interaction with them, so I wonder how that went down.
It was flying along earlier.
Yeah, it was flying along. Whoa! The waves began to ease as we continued past the town of Largs. We could see clear skies to the south over the approach to our final destination of Largs Yacht Haven.
It would now be up to the skips to carefully guide the Blue Spurr through the narrow inlet and into the safety of the berthing.
Go on, lad. Get in, Rob. Get in.
Come on, get up!
Nice one, Rob. Deploy defenders!
We were glad to see Henry waiting on the pontoon, and once stationary, we got straight to work tuning the rigging.
Don't drop him.
There you go.
Oh no.
What is going on? We need it done though, we really need it done. So we can use the mainsail again.
Have you ever done this before?
Yeah, I did it when my brother was here. I'm climbing up this side of the man.
In the fun nappy.
Go on, Rams. Do you want me to lead it out?
Yeah. He's away. He's away. He's way up there. How do you rate that then?
6.
There you go, Henry. As a
6 out of 8.
6 out of 8 ascension up the fun chair. Well done, Hannah's.
Got the two main rigging that go in the spreaders to the top of the mast to come out. So we wired them back in.
A full day of preparation lay ahead of us for the Isle of Man crossing, and after exploring the cycle path towards Largs, we hit the sack for some well-earned rest.
Thanks to everyone who purchased OYZ gear from our first drop on OutsideYourZone.shop. Drop 2 is now live with our Isle of Man gear, so don't miss out.
Tell us what you're doing today, Henry.
We've got me and Tom have got to tune the rigging after we fixed the rigging last night. We're going to check the bolts and we're going to get some parts from the chandlery around the corner.
Coffee!
Yeah! We're also very excited for the England game today. Today is actually the World Cup final, England versus Spain.
The cap's gone in the drink.
He's dropped the cap in the drink.
You get it? Yeah. Get in! Easy done. Too easy. That was what was dropped. The fuel cap.
We need that.
An absolutely crucial piece.
You wind that off, I'll get your towel, Rob.
Do
what needs to be done. OIZ!
OIZ!
Look at that, so we've got another bigger guppy.
Look at that.
My day. Whoa. They've got really rough skin. I'm not sure what they are. I hope they've not got spines or anything.
So the total distance that we've got to cover to get to the Isle of Man, to get to Peel, is 101 nautical miles.
We would miss Scotland, and tomorrow would mark our final crossing south through the Irish Sea. The timing of the tides would be crucial, and if we were to make it to the Isle of Man in one stretch, it would be the furthest we have ever travelled in one go.
Alex also planned to defeat the world record for smallest fully inflatable vessel to reach the Isle of Man. If successful, he would beat the record set in 2022 by the Rydal 3.6 Green Machine. It's the end of the preparation day. Disappointing about England, but still proud. Second. Oh well. Tomorrow is the Mega Mish. We've got 101 nautical miles to go to get to Peel, OYZ. We're away to bed, up at 5 AM.
I bet we're going to do it in one massive mission.
Go on then, yeah, let's hear your bets. So, Largs Marina has been 10 out of 10. The facility's been great. It's been really welcoming. And that means K9, the berthing that we're at, will be forever immortalised with an OYZ sticker.
Thanks for watching, and a special thank you to Nick, Steve, and our long-term supporter, Keith Love, for joining the Admiralty on Patreon.